second generation of Mu-so offers Naim's music transmission platform along with 450 watts of power, new loudspeaker drivers, a cabinet design that has been redesigned to improve bass delivery and more than 10 times the power of processing, resulting in greater musical precision. Audiophiles can use Mu-so second generation to stream high-resolution music up to 32 bits/384 kHz using UPnP. The system has compatibility with AirPlay 2, built-in Chromecast, Spotify Connect, TIDAL and Internet radio. Users can choose to transmit via an Ethernet cable connection or through updated Wi-Fi connectivity. Bluetooth devices can also be connected to the system. The updated Mu-so system also has a USB input with support for playing music directly from USB drives. Consumers get HDMI ARC in Mu-so's new second-generation model, which allows simple connectivity with a TV for a high-quality audio experience for home entertainment. In addition to the new features and improvements,